Yes, sir. So, I know I didn't,
YouTube. What it do, gang? This your boy Tizzle, coming back at you with another video, guys. So, first thing first, man, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and hit that bell. Turn that bell to all so you can be tuned in with everything that I post. And when I say everything, I mean everything. I was feeling that crap on my lip. Why y'all ain't say nothing? Y'all just looking at me and I had shit on my lip. But anyway, man, so this video is all about my Underglow, guys. So here's a picture. Here's the brand that I'm using right here at the bottom right here. And I'm just gonna pretty much tell you guys, like, you know what I mean, the pros, the cons, all that good stuff, what I think about the brand and all that good stuff. So first thing first, I'm gonna show you guys a clip real quick. So you guys hold that thought and watch this clip real quick.
yes, sir. So, I know I didn't, show you guys, but it's around the whole car now. Y'all see it? That thing big breaker. I still got it in the hood too. It's still in there. It is still in there. Yes, sir.
Oops. Did I just mess up your video? Oh well, deal with it. Anyway, merch check, merch. Merch. Nah, this ain't what this video, this part of the video is about though. I'm shouting out LED Customs, and that's customs with a Z. Let me pop up some pictures, man. Make sure you get your, you see the lights. You want the underglow. You want some wheel lights. You know what I mean? You want those little lights that's in your little door panels, man. Hey, my bro can hook you up, man. LED Customs, yes sir. Instagram, Facebook, all that. You can find him anywhere as long as you type in LED Customs, and that's customs with a Z. You want to get some 15% off? You gotta use promo code YaBoi Tizzle 15, and it gives you 15% off your entire order. Yes sir. I ain't mean to mess up your video and all that good stuff, but let's get back to the video.
So as you guys see, I have the Underglow all the way around the car. It's my second kit, so that's why it's all the way around the car. For the guys that's been rocking with me and they know and they're aware of my first kit, I only had it on the sides and the front, but now I got it around the whole car, you know what I mean? This is the remote that I use for my kit, you know what I mean? It's pretty simple, you know what I mean? A lot of people don't know how to work it, as far as, like, once you hitting like these jumps and these fades right here, these plus and minus, like, especially if you're in the fade, if you're in a jump or a fade, you can slow the speed, you can speed up or slow down the speed of the fade with the plus or minus option on your remote. So yeah, trying to think, I have two kits on my car, due to the fact that I wanted my car to, I'm gonna probably rearrange the kit around so I can have the light to glow a certain way that I want it to glow. I don't think it's glowing a way that I want it to glow, if y'all kind of understand what I'm saying. But anyway, I'm in love with this kit. I'm not gonna lie to you, I love this kit. This kit is easy to work with. It comes apart. If y'all are familiar with my first kit that I got it off of Wish. Nothing is wrong with Wish, but that kit was like very bad when it comes to the Bluetooth, trying to work it on the Bluetooth. It was just suckish, you know what I mean? It didn't work out too good. And it was just glitching out pretty much. Now that I have this kit right here, I'm in love. Like, I could turn it on, turn it off. Like, literally, I could just put up my remote like this and be like red, green, blue, white, you know what I mean? I can do anything, you know what I mean? I know you see these settings down here as 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me show y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the different settings you can, if your box, and what I mean by the box is the box that's controlled by the remote. I won't be able to show you guys because my box is literally up under my hood, because you know I got everything laid out and I can still turn on and off all that good stuff, change my colors, do my jump, do my fades, whatever I gotta do, I still can do it, and I don't have to worry about trying to, like, you know, have the remote find the box. I wish I could show you guys the box, but I don't know exactly where that box is at. Let me just put it like that, you know what I mean? And I can pretty much show you guys, I can just show you guys, you know what I mean? But anyway, there's 2 ways you can hook up your Underglow. You can do it the way that I did it. I got some 3M tape. I went to Home Depot. I paid $20 for this roll of 3M tape. And if you don't know what 3M tape is, it's pretty much, you can use this. So as you can see, I got my sticky part right here, and I got another sticky part right here on the top where this red film is at. I just, you know, take my 3M tape and I literally cut it in half, and it's like literally the length of the freaking Underglow, guys. It's awesome. It's amazing. I'm in love with it, you know what I mean? I done installed at least about 4 to 5 kits and still using it, because my kit is still coming loose a little bit because, you know, the tension on the wire and all that stuff is tight. But yeah, guys, it's freaking amazing, man. I'm in love with this freaking 3M tape, man. It holds. Only thing that I do, you know, I want to give you guys a warning. Only thing you need to do is clean the surface that you're putting this part of the tape on, you know what I mean? Clean that surface, you'll be good, and you know, it'll stay in position the way it's supposed to. I'm trying to think of some other stuff. Oh yeah, the other way you can hook up your Underglow, you can get some zip ties, and it's some zip ties. I see a zip tie right here, so I'm just gonna show you guys. Like, it's zip ties like this, and they have like little holes in them. It's just pretty much screw holes in them. You can get you some those zip ties, the freaking the self-drill screws, and you can do it that way, you know what I mean? You know, of course, you're just gonna put the loop in there and hold the Underglow, and then you just, you know what I mean, type deal. But yeah, I'm trying to think, those are the only 2 ways that I know how to hook up Underglow. That way of doing your Underglow is more better, because it actually gives you the actual firm grip, you know what I mean? Because once you screw the self-drill screw in there and it holds like that, it's not gonna go nowhere type deal. Yeah, other than that, man, I'm in love with the Underglow, and it's amazing. You guys should get your kit and do your thing, you know what I mean? But anyway, man, this is the end of this video. I didn't want to make it too long. This is your boy Tizzle. Follow that Facebook page, like this video, share this video, and if this your first time watching and you ain't involved with the family yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. What you waiting on? But until then, this is your boy Tizzle, and I will catch y'all next go round. Yes, sir.
Like, share, subscribe. Yes, sir.